This Dutch spiced loaf is the best. It tastes exactly like I remember it when I was in the Netherlands visiting family. And I have it with jam on top, and I've actually started having it with jam on top and then yogurt on top of that as well. And gosh, it makes a lovely dessert. But it is a breakfast bread. It's sweet and well, have a look at the ingredients. I'm making it again, but with an extra special addition of licorice root powder, thinking it will make it taste nicer. Maybe. We shall see. And it's a very easy recipe to follow. All you need is an oven, one of these long pans. Well, it doesn't have to be that long, you can have just a normal length loaf tin, a bowl to mix in, a spoon, and obviously plain white flour. We have some rye flour, apparently the light is the better one, some caster sugar, some black treacle, baking powder, some plant-based milk, so speculoos, spice, or I'm going to have a list of spices because I like these, and the additional licorice root powder, which I thought, that'd be nice, and a pinch of salt. So let's get started! Because this is such a quick recipe to do, apparently just start by heating the oven to 150 centigrade or 300 Fahrenheit immediately. You will also need scales. My scale is a jug, and I'm going to start by weighing out 150 grams, which is 1 cup, of the rye flour, and then 150 grams of the plain. My scales are malfunctioning, even though I've just put a new battery in. It starts to count up. It was 150, it's going... I've got a little cut. No, don't know why. Anyway. Yeah, it's going up. But this is 150 of the plain and 150 of the rye flour, which would make a total of about 300, man. Anyway, continue. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Boom, in it goes. 1 tablespoon of the speculoos spice, but I'm going to add quite a bit more. So this is a kind of a tablespoon of the mixed spice. And out of pure curiosity, a tablespoon of the licorice powder. Boom! And then just extra cinnamon, bam bam bam, and extra nutmeg. And extra Chinese spice. I love Chinese spice. Will it come out? And if it comes out delicious, I will let you know. Will I? I will. And the all-important pinch of salt. In it goes. Mix it up. In a jug, combine your plant-based milk, 250 mils of your plant-based milk, that's 1 cup. This is the 85 grams of caster sugar, which is half a cup, and 85 grams of your treacle, which is 1/4 of a cup. Okay, let's do this. Combine. And last time I did this, I thought, why did I bother pouring it into the jug to get all sticky? It was roughly about 2 of these. Come on. Okay, I'm going to need both hands for this, but you'll see. Combine them all together. Lots of little circles really fast until it totally combines and all the black stuff is gone. I just remembered I bought this crystallized ginger to actually chop up and put on the top of it, because some Dutch loaves have this lovely caramelized fruit on top, and I thought this will go awesome with all the flavors. You don't have to do it, it's just extra. An ingredient I forgot to mention was oil or vegan butter. I'm going to grease up the loaf tin. There it is. Next you're going to mix your dry with the liquid until it's nice and smooth, but don't over mix it. Remember to suck the spoon that's covered in treacle. At some point I'm going to learn how to make my own crystallized ginger. Oop, there we go. Pour it in. Blub, 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 blub. Give it a good stir. Until it's like this. Yay! Ready to be poured into the tin. Slow motion. Oh. Ah. Okay, this is going to need both hands once more. Okay. And then spread it evenly. And look, I've got a bowl to lick. And then, if you're like me, who chose to add the chopped up ginger to the top for a bit of fun, extra flavour, and I quite like the plain. I quite like the one with fruit on top. And then, this goes into the oven on the middle shelf. How long? I'll let you know. One whole hour until the skewer comes out nice and clean. Checking it out in the oven, it's looking like it's rising well with those crystallized ginger on top. And it smells beautiful. That's the ding. Anyway, ready to come out. Give me a ding. Right, tiny eat off. Boom, it is done. Ding, it can come out now. Have a listen. Can you hear it? That sounds good. If it comes out clean. It is. It is clean. So leave it for half an hour to cool on a cooling tray before slicing it. So leave this on a cooling rack for 30 minutes until you turn it out, and wait until it's completely cool before slicing it up. And it just slides out of the loaf tin and smells divine. It just smells spicy and delicious. I'm going to continue trying out experimenting with trying out the carbonated water. Have you tried that yet with any recipe in place of eggs? I figured maybe if I added some carbonated water, it might even give it more of a raise. Is it worth trying? I don't know, but this is how it comes out anyway. It's not supposed to raise that much, but I'm just curious. I'll let you know how it tastes with the extra spices as well.